Alright, so here we have a brand new Ruud Achiever heat pump. This is the place that I visited last July with a Gemini. There was an American Standard here. It was Carrier Comfort helicopters, and this other one, and then this thing running. The American Standard Heritage something got replaced. I think it was a Heritage. It's a brand new Ruud Achiever heat pump. Has a Copeland Emerson scroll. And US motors right there. This thing just turned on. It's on in heat mode. 2022, 2.5 ton. Has not been running. This thing just turned on. So, yeah. There's a reversing valve. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.